लोकसेवा भवन नुआ कनक्लेवेशन हॉल रे एग्री कनक्लेव 2021 आयोजित होईछि। एथिरे मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग जोगे जोग दैछन्ति। ए कनक्लेव रे देशर 50 टी बड़ कंपनी अंशग्रहण पई स्वीकृति प्रदान करिथिबा बेले 24 टी कंपनी ऑनलाइन माध्यम रे नाम पंजीकृत करिसन्ति। एहि सहित 41 टी संस्था वेब लिंक जोगे शामिल हेबे। उद्घाटन उत्सव रे मुख्यमंत्री द्वारा कृषि ज्ञान पत्रिकार उन्मोचन कराजिबो।
I think in this room knows what Odisha has done to the sports of hockey, which has got medals after such a long time. Our intervention in the field of supply of oxygen during the COVID crisis has been well documented. Our efforts in disaster resilience has been well known, internationally documented. So you will find us a very strong administration in the field. And when you start working with us, you will realize that Odisha is a different state where there is absolutely no gap between what we say in this platform and what happens in the field. So we take this particular platform very, very seriously. In a short notice, many of you have turned up. I would particularly thank our colleague in the NAFED, CMD NAFED, Sri Chadha, with whom we have partnered in holding this particular session. I also would like to thank my colleagues, especially the Principal Secretary Agriculture, Principal Secretary Cooperation, Principal Secretary Animal Husbandry and the Fisheries and Animal Resource Development, and their entire team, including all the directors, have done extremely well in a very short time putting together this thing. Our leader in this area is Dr. Sahu, who is, as you can see, a young and dynamic minister. He is going to lead from the front. So we are set to have a very, very strong collaboration with all of you. You are already doing good work in our state, especially in poultry sector. We know there is a lot of backward integration happening. So the breakout sessions is something which we are looking forward to, and I assure you that in that session we are going to be listening and you will be speaking. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shri Tripathi, for your valuable keynote address. You shared the strengths in the sector and the opportunities of growth that the state has to offer in this regard. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now present two industry perspectives. Firstly, by Shri Satyendra Agarwal, Business Head, Foods and Marketing from Adani Wilmar Limited. Adani Wilmar
लोकसेवा भवन नुआ कन्वेंशन हॉल रे एग्री कनक्लेव 2021 आयोजित होउछि। ए कनक्लेव रे देशर 50 टी बड़ कंपनी अंशग्रहण पई स्वीकृति प्रदान करिसन्ति एवं 24 टी कंपनी ऑनलाइन माध्यम रे नाम पंजीकृत करिसन्ति। या सहित 41 टी संस्था वेब लिंक जोगे मध्य शामिल हेबे।